the adorable little shower gift basket, wooden basket that is a keepsake. Why not present a gift in something like this rather than a paper product that is never used again? This is a wooden crate. It's easy to assemble, just a few screws, and this overhanging piece here has screws in it. It's easy to assemble, and what a presentation it makes. It comes with these little hangers and everything you see here, this beautiful floral string, and it's illuminated. It's so cute. It comes with everything you see here. This is a baby version with a little hello world showing you a place to write the name and date and time and length of the baby. This is a great product for wedding showers, baby showers, graduation, anything. It's so cute. This one with the baby feature, you can use it for anything. Look at this special detail. It illuminates the flowers. It's so, so beautiful, and it comes with these darling little hangers. There's also a wedding version of this as well. I love this keepsake basket. Why waste time, money, and effort on something like a paper product that will just be thrown away when you can give a beautiful keepsake like this? It's so adorable. It can be used for years to come to hold wipes, baby blankets, diapers, whatever. And these adorable little hangers provide such a nice touch. This is going to be a great showcase piece at a baby shower. It's also a terrific baby gift, and it's great for group gift giving because there's plenty of space to put things in there. I highly recommend this. It's a few minutes to put together, but it was very easy and came with great instructions. An adorable addition to any present giving, as well as keepsake. Highly recommend it.